Prival is a company dedicated to the evolution of backcountry safety equipment, which will enhance your backcountry needs, experience, and most importantly, with proper training and techniques, expedite rescue time. Patented by Tony Pavlantos and handcrafted in Utah, Prival introduces the Daily Kit. The Daily Kit is a wearable, fully functional avalanche safety kit. Ideal for the seasoned backcountry mountaineer and side country enthusiast, no backpack necessary. Lightweight, compact, and small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Prival's Daily Kit consists of 3 elements: the St. Peter probe, the Sierra shovel, and the CSW splint case. The Sierra shovel is your best friend for the backcountry. Weighing only 290 grams, the Sierra shovel will lighten your load without compromising functionality or strength. The shovel's sleek profile and serrated edge allows the user to expel less energy while digging or cutting through tough ice and trees. Its collapsible shaft fits snugly inside the handle and blade for supreme packability. Constructed out of aircraft-quality aluminum and half the size of a standard collapsible avalanche probe, Prival St. Peter's probe extends to 260 centimeters long and is marked in 5 centimeter increments for snow study. The probe collapses to 21 centimeters. This piece sets a new standard for collapsible probe length and builds a more rigid assembly when telescoped together. The CSW splint case, which houses your Sierra shovel and St. Peter's probe, can easily strap to the outside of your boots or around your waist for easy side country access and lightweight ski mountaineering. Made from aluminum, foam, and Cordura, our cases also can double as multiple splints for serious injuries such as injured joints and broken bones. Each Daily Kit includes 61 centimeter custom black straps. Prival is committed to promoting safety in the mountains, engaging and educating our community, and maintaining responsible local production.
We aim to create every product with minimal environmental impact with the assurance of quality and longevity.